Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our community policies. So let's get started. So if you have violated any community policies, or if you have not violated any policies but you face this error which says you have violated any community policies and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply head over to your WhatsApp and then tap and hold on your WhatsApp application. After doing that, just tap on this eye icon which is app info, and after tapping on that, just simply tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache. Also clear your storage. After clearing your cache and your storage, now what you can do is just simply try to log into your WhatsApp account, and that should fix your problem. But if that did not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and now in search bar you can search for contact WhatsApp. And after searching for that, now you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which is contact WhatsApp, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply enter the mobile number that you have used to create your WhatsApp account with. So just simply enter that and then make sure that you select your country code. After selecting it, just scroll down and then enter your email address and then confirm the email address by re-entering it over here. And after entering your email address, just scroll down and then tap on Android. So if you use your iPhone device, what you can do is you can also tap on iPhone, or if you use it on web or desktop, then you can select web and desktop. So just select any one of those following options, and now you have to enter the message. So now you can just simply enter the problem that you are facing. After entering that problem, you just have to tap on submit and your problem will be sent to WhatsApp. And after sending your feedback, WhatsApp will try to fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our community guideline policies. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.